Alright, so this is Barn Owl. They do have a pit in here. It's still occupied. I think this one says a 60-day closing because they gotta move out. Looks like they have twins. The floors have been done. This is the backyard. It is a little small on the inside. But the price, I think it's $170 something. It's not bad. Knock knock. I'm trying to find a light for you. Definitely a family in here. You got a half bath right here. Even though they have stuff in here, the house is clean and well maintained. I like the floors. You can tell little stuff like animal. Like, there's some stuff going on. Washer and dryer's upstairs. That's got to be fun to get up here. There's a little stain on the ceiling. Excuse my breathing, y'all. This mask. And the pollen outside, I got allergies. So it don't help none. And then this is the hallway bathroom. It's actually pretty spacious. And clean, well maintained. Closets. And then the master bedroom. Has a closet. Has two closets, not walk-in, but two separate closets. Does have a roomy. Oh, let me get my focus back. There you go. Has a roomy bathroom. And you have your garden tub. It's not separate, but it is a garden tub. His and her sinks. The neighborhood is decent. I think the front yard could be a little more cuter, but the inside's pretty nice.